guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing some of my recent purchases from the Sephora VIP sale and also some other online makeup retailers. What we're gonna do is go through some of the hits, the misses, and the ain't gonna buy ever agains of the haul. Now listen, I think I bought a little bit too much this year, but we won't talk about that. I think we'll just file that one under the treat yourself category. Hopefully that works out. And also, before I forget, this is a nail channel. We gotta talk about some nails here. We have this gorgeous multi-chrome from KB Shimmer. It is called Public Displays of Confection. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. It is available now if you're curious. All right, so let's get right on into it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna go through is the foundation. So I decided to try out Fenty Beauty. This is actually the first Fenty product that I've tried. This is their Pro Filter foundation and I am in love with this one. I got it in the shade 360. This one is like a matte finish, which I really love. You don't get that shiny look after you finish the application. So this one is a really good match. I'm wearing it now. It does oxidize to a little bit of an orange look, but it kind of works for me. I also put like, you know, highlight and setting powder and all these other things, so it kind of like balances it out. It applies just really evenly, really nicely. It doesn't have a chemical smell, if you know what I mean. It's just, it almost smells like nothing. I did get it on sale, so that kind of helps with the price. This one is definitely a hit. I ended up trying to get the mini size. I do not recommend that. It is not worth it. It is really not. This is so small. Like, you could probably get a couple uses out of this and then it's done. It's not worth the money. Do not get it unless you're going to use it for like a highlight or something where you're not going to be using it often, but just go for the full size. I ended up having to go back to the Sephora store and getting the full size in person. It was literally the only shade that was sold out too, so I was just like, but anyways, so I had to go back and get the full size and I got it, and it was just right there. It was really close. It was at my closest Sephora, so I was like, yes, thank you very much. Do not get the mini one. It's definitely a miss. Don't get the mini. The next Fenty product that I got is their concealer stick. I love this. It's like basically like a crayon. It goes on like really buttery smooth and it's so easy to blend out. I'm really in love with this one. It gives me like a really subtle contour, perfect for like daytime. I'm not 100% sure if I want to keep it though, because I found another contour stick that is a lot lower in cost and it does just as well. It doesn't blend out as well as this one. The verdict is still out. I'm still debating if I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, so I did a haul from Juvia's place. I got a bunch of foundation sticks, contour, highlight, all that good stuff, and girl, I am just in love with this haul. So I've tried Juvia's place before and always impressed with them. These ones all were really good with the shade matching. It's incredible. They all really blend super well. Got some more when they had their sale. Loved it. Beautiful, impeccable, and highly recommended. So you know that's gonna be a hit, honey. I got a contour stick, which is probably gonna be my go-to because I love the one from Fenty Beauty that I showed a little bit earlier, but this one is literally the exact same and just a lot cheaper as well. So, but I would say the Fenty one is a little bit more buttery smooth in terms of application. Would definitely keep going with the Juvia's place for future purposes. This one is definitely a hit. Next thing I got is this lip oil from from Dior and I didn't quite love it, to be honest. This is more of a miss for me. I know, I'm a little bit shocked, to be honest. I thought I was gonna love this so much. So I saw and heard about it through TikTok. Yes, I was TikTok influenced. TikTok made me buy it. But yes, I did get it and I just am not living. It's a little bit orangey, so I thought it might give me a little bit of an orangey tint. No, it really didn't show up at all. And then it's a glow oil, so I thought it was going to be more of like a lighter consistency, more oil light, but it was just very thick and kind of goopy, and I was like, are y'all serious? The brush of it was nice. It's pretty pleasant. It's different, so it's more like a larger doe foot brush, and it's nice, but that's about all that I liked about it. Kind of labeled to be your luxury gloss, kind of one of those glosses you don't really use every time, but even for that I was just like, no, this ain't it. It smells like mint, which is really nice, but I did think it was gonna have more of like a fruity kind of scent. I mean, it is in the shade cherry, so I was thinking that, okay, maybe it'll smell like cherries or just something really nice. Not a huge deal, but it's just kind of not really giving. It's very, very similar, even identical to the Urban Decay Cushion lip gloss, which I have too many of, I would say. So it's double the price of that even. So it's like, might as well just stick with your Urban Decay ones. But I mean, you know, it was worth a try. I was really excited about it, but this one just isn't giving. So it's a miss. I really upset, to be honest about it. So I also picked up this candle from Voluspa, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Definitely smells amazing. I'm a sucker for really good brand packaging, so I decided to try it out. It smells amazing. One of my favorite scents from them, if not the only scent I think I like from them. The scent is amber, sandalwood, and vanilla, and it smells really, really good. At first I was like not really into it, but then I don't know, I smelled it again. I was like, okay, I really, really love this. I wouldn't say it's a universal scent that everyone would like, but it's definitely a one that I really love, and I love that it's a coconut blend. So yes, it's a hit. Okay, so now let's get into skincare. I got the Belief Aqua Bomb. I love this as a moisturizer. This is like moisturizer, and this is my go-to. I find it so hydrating. It gives like a really nice glow, especially if I don't feel like putting on foundation, and it's super hydrating too. So I'm like, yeah. It's a little pricey though, so I kind of like getting this and replenishing my stock when they have the sale. Definitely a hit. I got the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream as well. I got a sample of it a while ago and I decided, okay, let's get the full size. I got the full size and it's not giving like I thought it was gonna give. It didn't give me enough moisture that I thought it was gonna be, and also, to be fair, I did try the sample like years and years ago, so it's possible maybe my skin needs are a little bit different. It didn't work for me, but I know that this is definitely a popular one that works for a lot of people though. Then the last skincare product is this cleanser from Kate Somerville. This is their cleanser for acne prone skin. I'm looking to kind of build a good skincare routine for myself. I also tried a sample of this one a little while ago and I loved what it did for my skin, so I decided to get the full size this time and I love it. It's definitely for acne prone skin. It is a little drying, so you want to make sure that you do have a good moisturizer with it, but I just find this is an excellent addition to my skincare routine that I'm trying to build. A new one that I'm trying to build. I get like really bad breakouts randomly, so I'm really liking how this one is treating them. I find it to be a little bit pricey for what it is, but I still really love it, and hey, again, the discount you get, why not? So this is the full size and definitely a hit for me, at least so far. I know I hear that you got to give your skincare products at least a month to really see what they can do, but so far so good. Okay, so I also got a beauty blender sponge. It just really blends the foundation and highlighter really well, so I really particularly love the Beauty Blender brand. I'm still on the lookout for something a little more budget friendly, but for now I'm really liking the Beauty Blender sponge. Definitely a hit. Anyways guys, that's all I have for you. Let me know if you are interested in videos like these. If you want to know more about my favorite products, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for sticking to the end. Please consider subscribing for more videos. As always, stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.